Hey, what's up everybody? Hopefully I'm going to show you a money saving tip today. So these batteries are stupid expensive, right? So here's one that's fully charged, all right? And here's one that is fully dead. Now, the way these new chargers work is they're how should I say this? It has to sense some type of voltage in the battery, otherwise it doesn't recognize it as a chargeable battery, if that makes any sense. So what happens is when these things are completely dead, you may be running into a situation where the battery charger simply does not acknowledge that you actually have a working battery that's ready to accept a charge, and therefore it will not induce a charge into it. So quick life hack. Hopefully this saves you some money if you run into it. So here's my dead battery, here's my good battery. I'm taking solid stranded household wire. Go get yourself a roll of this if you don't have any, because it's kind of a lifesaver. So you've got contacts on either side. Now every brand of battery has a positive and a negative, so you just have to figure out what's what. Okay, so this one is clearly marked as positive and negative. So we're going to want to line up positive, positive, negative, negative, right? So I guess I'm just going to put them side by side. That might be, no, I can't do that. Okay, so this side's positive, this side is positive. So I'm going to insert this here and all right, make sure they got a little contact going here. And then I'm going to take this side, which is negative, and this side is negative over here, and I'm going to jump these two across like so. Now you're going to see a little tiny spark. You don't have to leave it here very long, so you're transferring power from the good battery to the dead battery. And a good idea, I mean, the reason you may want to use an identical battery is because you have the exact right amount of voltage, right? So you don't have to leave it on there very long. As long as it's making a spark, it will be enough to charge or to induce just a little bit of current into your battery. And then you will be able to take, so this is not gonna read that it has any juice in it, but you can go and put it on your battery charger, and hopefully that will reset it and give it just enough juice to accept the charge. So hopefully that saves you some money.